Hey everybody, real quick, let's go over some of the changes in Google Classroom and what looks a little bit different. The use is still there. So if I go to a class that I'm a part of and not a teacher in, you can see that I have this new layout. And right over here, it's going to tell me about all my upcoming work. Anything that's due is going to be right there for me. Here in the stream page is going to be things that have happened in the class. So you can see that Mr. Rommel created an assignment here, and then he also posted some slides for us to use as a reference when we go back and view this stuff. Now, if I go over into the classwork area, you'll see that I have the assignment here is there, right? So this is what it should look like. It's pretty simple. I open it up. I can click on view assignment. From here, I can see, hey, look, it says that this is my copy of computer science advocacy. So what I need to do now is figure out, okay, well, what am I doing with this? Now, there's a couple different options. So hypothetically, let's say that this assignment is to create some sort of product that relays information about computer science advocacy. Now, there could be a lot of different things that I could do here, but if I want to go here, I can add something from my Google Drive. So let's say I created something in Google Drive. There it is. Let's say I make a video. I can link it, right? Pretty easy for me to do. And then I can attach a file as well. So there's 3 different things I can add to this. Now, if I want to create something within Google Classroom, which is really helpful, I can do that. I can open up a doc and write a quick blog post. Say, hey, this is for a blog. Here's that doc real quick. Let's type up why we need to study computer science. Let's create another slideshow. It could be something that's similar to the thing that was shared with me. I can show some graphs and some data using sheets to do that, or I can create a poster in drawings. There's a lot of different options for that. But when I create something like a doc, what's going to happen is it's going to upload itself and it's going to create itself right here on this assignment so that when I go to turn this work in, I don't have to worry about going someplace else to go get it. It's right there ready for me each time. It's already there. So I click, I start editing, and then when I'm ready, I hit that turn in button for Mr. Rommel so that he gets it. Last but not least, when I go back into this, you can see the people that are in your class as well, so that if you need to remember an email or anything like that, it kind of helps spur maybe a last name. There might be a lot of Kyles, right? And that might be a way that we can go through and make sure that, whoa, that Kyle, that Kyle, and that Kyle aren't in my class, but that Kyle is. There we go. That's who's in my group. So with that, it's a nice way for us to kind of stay organized and use this. Now, if I go to all of my classes, you can see there's some classes that maybe I don't need anymore, and I can hit on enroll. So if that class is from, say, last year, I don't need that anymore. I hit on enroll. We're good to go, right? If this class is something that is done, I can again do that. We can also move classes just by dragging. So you can kind of see that I can move a class out of the way or put a class in a different spot. Just to kind of make my screen a little bit easier. So hopefully that helps you. If you guys run into any questions with it, this little question down here gives you an option to get some help, ask a question, send feedback, or find out what's new with Google Classroom. Hopefully that helps. We'll see you guys around. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.